Alright, hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from Singapore. This is Nissin Singapore and their cup noodles Laksa flavor. Yes. I say yes. See? Singapore. And it comes with a sachet, which sachets need to be needed. You gotta need your sachet. Okay, here we go. I think I get to let you watch the next one. 'Cause the next one will get boiled. Here we go. It's a rolling. So yeah, it is November 20th, which that was quick. It was summer. Rosalind Carter just died. Jimmy Carter's wife. He's still alive. He's on hospice care. It's crazy. But I was checking out the news about it and stuff at lunchtime today. And as it turns out, the former president and his wife were married for 77 years. That's pretty cool. I don't care what side of the aisle you're on. That's got to get some respect. And I heard they grew up like a couple houses away from each other, but they were like, he was 3 years older than her, so he was off to school and doing all this stuff, and by the time she was like 19, then they got back and got married and all that. They were married for 77 years. That's crazy business. Wow. So I was talking to my wife and I was just like, I hope we at least get that much. She's like, we'd be like over 100 years old and all that. I'm like, I can live forever as long as I'm with you, baby. So, and I mean that, But yeah, they were playing some clips of Carter and his wife talking to each other or about each other, and it was just like, God, what nice people. I don't know, it's like you don't have nice people in politics anymore, I swear to God. Not many. It all just ends up being like kind of fake, or it just ends up being just nasty, and it's just like, wow, normal people, like really nice people, where'd they all go? Makes me sad, really does. If you have an opportunity, be a nice person today. It doesn't cost you anything. Just do it. Just do it. It doesn't make you look weak. It doesn't make you look feckless. It doesn't make you look bad. It makes you look good, at least to me. It's like we're going up to Canada quite often before the pandemic. We haven't recently. But we were going up to Canada all the time. It just struck me how nice and personable and like normal people were up there. Here, it just seems so like everybody's doing some kind of... So much of it is just a show. It's like, who are you trying to impress being these kind of people? What didn't you get? I think the deal might be... I don't know. I could be wrong. I've got ideas about a lot of things that I'm sure absolutely completely wrong. But so much of it has to do with just like Facebook, Twitter, TikTok. Everybody wants to be like this person that's like sought after, and people want to feel like they're special. They are, They're already special. You're special. There's only, listen, all you gotta do, if you want to feel nice, watch the beginning and the end of Mr. Rogers the show, you know. I mean, he's dead now, but his shows, you can still catch his show. It's like you're gonna feel nice. It's like he says, like nice little affirming things, you know. I don't do that. I don't go and like watch Mr. Rogers so I can feel nice, but yeah, never mind. I don't do it, but you know, it just seems like there's so many unhappy things in the world. Can't we just be nice? I'm sure right now there's some of like the nastiest freaking just so people can get some kind of kicks off of it. Nasty things about Rosalind Carter and how Jimmy Carter's a Democrat and blah blah blah. He ruined the country and blah 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 blah. Hey, that's enough out there. Giggles. This one, even though I heated the sachet, it's kind of hard to get it out.
I'm just saying.
I'm working on it though. Ooh, that was close. Hey, that's tracking. I like tracking. Alright, there we go. I'll tell you about that on the next episode. I gotta keep thinking of, hey, shush please. I'm still doing my show. Thank you. Alright, so here's our Laksa. Mimi! Thank you. That's been a big problem lately, the non-listening. Okay, here's our Laksa. Alright, next time you're losing your tablets, I want you to be quiet, please, alright? Can I get an okay? Thank you. Don't worry, I'll be done. This is the second one, and this one's almost done, and then I got one more. Love you. Alright, let's give this a try. Noodles, your standard cup noodles fare, you know. Here's our broth. Creamy. Creamy curry, yummy. I like that. That's good. That may very well be my favorite of the Nissin Cup Noodles Singapore line. Although their fish head curry, gosh, that's pretty impressive as well. Here, let's get you a front row seat on that. It is me. There's that. Anyways, that's as good as you get. Let's got some fish ball. Now is when we come into the problem. Oh, here we go. It lasted for a little while today. I told you to not play with that. I asked you to listen. Going to have to hand down the dark penalties. The trouble. I want the trouble. Yeah, the dark penalties. What would those be? I don't know. Last of my eggs that I made on Friday. I think I made these on Friday. There we go. Save that
brine. I'll make some. Maybe I'll make more eggs tonight. I don't know. That would make sense. If I'm going to do reviews tomorrow, it'd be nice to have them kind of get some color. I've got today, tomorrow, and one more. And then it's Thanksgiving, and then it's like, I might as well just figure it's all toast. So if I... Here we are. There we are. And we're going to use some of this. We have some scallion. I'm going to use some sesame seed. Call me kooky, but I will do it. And I'm going to use some crushed red pepper because I like that. Do I want to add anything else? I could do some... Yeah, I just saw it there. I'm going to add just a little bit of fried onion. Yeah, this stuff's decent. This I like. A little bit of crispy. All right. Whoa, kind of getting crowded over here. I don't get full. Oh, there. Come on now. That's whoa. Why are we having problems with that? Here, let go of that. I have no idea what's going on with this monopod, but I think a million reviews with it has kind of left it tired. All right, well, thank you very much for watching. Yeah, this stuff's good. If you can get the Singapore cup noodles varieties, this Laksa is definitely one to give it a try. The next one we've got is this chili pan mee dry fish cake version from Meet Me of Malaysia. They make some really neat stuff. And yeah, the last one I had was a curry chili paste noodle. That was absolutely wonderful. But yeah, this one has fish cake. So, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, check out my Patreon if it's in the description, and yeah, have a good one. Bye-bye.